Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Omorigereria Ensoko TV ngo kwani kurano cia sura sobot kubabona nabo no kugenda kwani buna kwagenderera bya asirit kuri makuro chisa 12 chike mambya nabo igano gendera tekubwatia mirobiri Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi ni kinga kinde kingia cyaragere chinsa isato cyabona botuko cya Afrika ya mucengo kwarigania eri guchikanya rama senchira yobwekerano buna baseke baito bayaraganiriye asirit kurigima eri kwene kinangu gwikirare nabo igona enkwe manyora mange ayo akorekanira aya itire nabo igo ayara chikubwatia na mono asobot kubwabona tubwati gwetera senchira yomutandao bwekerero Facebook Boigo asensemu ya YouTube Ensoko TV ase namba ya mawasiliano nigere noti sano na ibere sano na isatu isano na mama gatano mwero beka isato na mono enga kirito chikosoa asenkwani ya ito asobot kubwa bono buna enga kituko chikosoa na boye kucha kumurekera aliagendera toko korekana ase ward ya chistago brabe kutoka asensemu ya bunge ya South Mugrange County ya Kisii asamangana bwatike nobra inobo kwarali na boigo ayagendera te koene kiwa kura asensemu yo na mono asenga kiye iga trochi kuchi asobo chore bonene bu mwaka gocha wechilifu ibere 25 na kabere ntuchigo kwana goya kwanira ase ubwagara no mugani uyo ikire ime studio ase ubotko bwabone ngakyura chikumumanya na boigo umanyana nara lyaya abwati gochase omumenyi wensemeyo sanga sobwamo gochakira bono wika omwerio eriteriane Ishmael Mogere. Asumu chakarobo tukubabona hegati yabangi na kurobo nyakori ase ward ya Itibo ensemo ye bunge ya North Mugrange County ya Nyamira ligaba sokire na komochomo MCO bo Lamex Square enana ase okomochomo bunge omukoro North Mugrange Joseph Kiangoi uyogo tumeka abanyakoni gwikiranie ganga yaye ya gisiasa bagukwara emiye konge ekerekyo nigo abangi na bwoko bumo batebire ninga nigo bari magega ya Joseph Kiangoi ase ganga yaye yo kurigekerugo kyo bunge ase batebabuna oborayi buraroro tibora abayikiria use tibora abayikiria amagendero buna abanyakori buno security stable nyari kembonde ariganirie robot rwa sobwagare sobot kubabona tigango turaligereri
egati yabangina korwa ase ensemo yabonyakoni ase ward ya Itibo bunge ya North Mugrange nigo besokire kobomo nakoralie kirenga yoje komosira mubungo mukoro North borabu ebunge yarenge ngare Joseph Kiangoi ase ganga yo koriyo bunge bwa North Mugrange asomwa ko 2027
tuachire ko spatia omochumbo itokorokwa Kiangoi wana no tuachire papa tomwamagoro tuachandekire na 200 tuariga moire mono wana no toregaiga totage totosipotio mogako koroku papa Kiangoi abangina babanyakoni mongi no bitija wana tuachire asobwamo abanyakoni abakungu tobeka namo tosapotio omogako korokwa Kiangoi Joseph Kiangoi papa Teba Joseph Kiangoi papa abana bakungu babonyakoni bago support ya Joseph Kiangoi papa
bago kwana hekerekyo asomo cyo ikonge nigo abasubati abayiga bamukiri umubungo rabisi umuskecho asinyamoko asekere abakweranga tarayikirani magendro boyikiranu nemono ase chipara nabo yo chiskuru
ngina no tori twakure chichaye kurutwaga torete nigo to chandegete tali mere mu mwato likera gaki nonye no mwe gaki ikonari ko sabanga abangine tigatukura baraya bari bose boito batokonye batolikera abana gutwasomira
Situmenyete vinyoro una komente kenyoro gieto korusinta ocha China kakie bara ya sare kire muna njaya mabongo kwane geita kiane no e bare rogoro sukunyuma amata choire chona ande gakimono sinye onsinyire gakia masere buko buna kale bona kinko bagakire ande gakimota tota kwa Kiango yabangina batakonya buna bangina batwamenye twaberire chimbucha mwate banango toira mure Nairobi motu akachitae
Shule nazo si vyama vile zimeporomoka, hata unashindwa kuna wenye wanaongoza kweli. Hatuwaoni. Sasa wenye tunataka tuone, mwenye tunataka tuone ni Mheshimiwa Kiangoi ndio afanye chizi ipasavyo.
Abangina abo kerekyo nigo bamumochirie omwe MCA Oitibo Lameck Square nana ase keria bakweranga nigabeire gakumongora Joseph Kiangoi kubwatekana ne chingwana chiabeire chiabwangoiga gento basabirenga nerebuya uborai nyarako babugikiraniwa gati y'ekinyomba isato kirase ward ya Itibo iyo chire abayisanga abanyakoni naboigo nabakurati.
Mwaisimiwe nana tuagwatete na watu akwata chikura lakini bano mwebu aombolia okora ama baisimiwa bande ona tuatebire na wani tamu utoke takora ama baisimiwa bande kiro montatu na inakori ya bogambi sikaba gambi bando muisimiwe nana tuntu agosike to akwa bogambi sasa bana ni wani tamu utoke jeni kona ajiraiga kuno mungino ya mukuru nyakoni asindwete go emechandero ne menene na bara into chorete ndobuga to mwara yo mukuru kwa enana oyo bwenete gotoroseri chibara unabone bari kuruisinta go chinyasyo ase chutsukuru chirororo chitundu bari chirororo abangina twachandekire emegongo yabunekire twasinyirwe nona stoko chikoni chichaegera tosomeri abana baitu chigari chiko taina tubuguria chichae mpaka chirami mate
nigo abangina babonyakoni bene kiriko mo nigo barachi komo sira Joseph Kiangoi asekanga yokuri obojumbe asoma ko 2027 asebo igo banyare ko bagosaba mu MCA we ward ya Itibo mu MCA nana kwene kinga kutiganare gosonana na barai abu babwato bote bukuriya oborai asebunge ya North Mogrango korwa ase ebunge ya North Mogrango imeye county ya Nyamira ngingo reporteria Nsoko TV Gedera Nyarike Steven Embonde
tugutigara ase oroboti orwo ase nkona ya bwango yokwereneria nigo boigo gatia bangina kurwa bonyakoni ase wodi ya Itibense mu yebunge ya North Mogrango ime ya Nyamira na barabu besokire na kumwigerera omwe MCA bo Lameck Square enana kurwa komochigwa ose komochigwa negatia bangina abanyakoni abo bakumusira Joseph Kiangoi Ombasa bagukwana ime ya China wodi yo ni gabangina abo batebere Kiangoi nga askomwe MCA Lameck Square enana ase kiribuna Kiangoi no mubunge okuboria nabo igo enana nigo akuburikergo kyo bwa MCA
asengwana yoboiraneri ya bwango nigo egati yabangina abo kurubonyakoni igo besokirie na komomochia mubungo mukoro we bunge ngare ya North Borabu Joseph Kiangoi asekerie bakweranga tatumeka egati yabangina kurwa bonyakoni yo komorama mu MCA Orabisi Lameck Square enana
bangina chusi echaegaria bagasoba korama barai baregeti sai tubwana tako tukamase bare batokorere gas neibone kurwa tuchakorama barai baregeti ibato kubwatana mako tokore gas na barabu batokonyera abana batoroseri chibara tokore me magendera na baro batubwata maboko gochiari batosikeria abana moto
yakoni bakagura bangina baba bagoteba no Mheshimiwa Kiangoi naro obagoreire chae ndoma etio Mheshimiwa Kiangoi enana taiko bori bo MP bori ara MP Kiangoi nanga yakura no MC yangu chikoboria nkirenda kobori enana twagetiwe abana twagetiwe bakare anya Kiangoi gakare kobori chikurana natage tobo MCA ngwadi kyakare korwa ngatinye nana neratwete egotokwa tutam
wana kumiye ekera abantu bakare konda bagora abangina babagorire chae oikia abukiango yagorire bacha gochori umwesimi woito ntu umwesimi gutobwata ne nana naende asekero gokiaye era gakogenda tutam abangina
bagokwana kerekyo korwa se wodi ya Itibo nigo hegati yabangina ubereire nga na bamochorete na kumubeka bisi Lameck Square negetambukiro ya Joseph Kiangoi gotumeka abangina komomochia egento getarabagokia
tamwa masikani kiagara ni ntutu amochorete ana rende kagendre bageta gukora nkimoko na komorucha ruchera na mang'ana
abagaka na barukuru banyakonya baikaransire bagorira abangina nabo bagosteria abesimi wabaito erieta intutore tutam nando mwesimi
ngati nana nera tobwate egotokwa tutam abangina bali mwagorerwe chae yaenda motimo keka yango ite korubori MCA abangina bali tumoka ntu amanto bwate nana nera tobwate tutamu
mangana kyangoi ngaya kurwera gocha kuburukana se nana kyagere nana ge kuburi MCA itibo ward MCA ngoite kuburi MCA tiganda guciakara nyomanta sa kuburi MP bwaye anda kuburi chaororo
kubwatekana no gutaikirani wa korosi wa wepara ya isinta kubwatani China ase wodi yaitibwe URNC yo mu MCA nigo abangina abu bairairenga mbare no kwegena ngepare ine chikorosi wa ikerebira gitabire ikase wodi yeyo egento basabirenga nerebiya Moske Joseph Kiangoi benekina nkumoskare Moske Ramex Square ase gasiaye yobo MCA
mbira igorerwa ebara ego rusinda go China no muraya kwanteri nankore embura ne nyinge rebira kitambira ikabire bire mawawo bigocha go ikase torega umwezi miwa na ataba nango ngokororare mego kerie para go rusinda go China
tosikabarai enana eye bare korama enana de ikorigi obochumbe enana ye korigi gendoki ibona abantu bakyango ibaguru bachake kosorie nana nante korigero kama gwamegwete mbuya ona ndu tware goteba iga enana ntu amachorete uno murayo itono bori mekosa no maere enana mwara obuna nyamira yaba nja ombogana mburambo ne nyamira ya iko bengi ya tibara mburambo na gwende kotoroserie kyagira mwe
Steven Nyarikembone Ensoko TV itibo county ya Nyamira
Asensemo yende na yabwatikirine chisemi abaibori aborokia boigona aborokiwani go bomira nase skuru ya Riambase abwase bachigo chake bene na boigo koye kumanyekanie kirenga kyabo kyo mwako yoiga abwase batebana nigo barengete emini ya kyanda erio kori mukirieterie skuru ejo igoro omokwani manene asumusangirikani uyo nigo arenge Professor Constantine Nyamboga oyorwa esegetene na guchia se aborokiwa abugo korumukia erio boikiranie kirenga kyabo bagende ase University Buna Moseketu Kile Forenge agotumanya sobwagari.
Nase skuru ya sekondari ya Riambase ime ya semu ya bunge Bubasie county ya Kisii. Abu asa baiboli abarimu amona aborokiwa bamumirana herigo chake bene kirenga kya aborokiwa be kirasi ke 12 omwaka oyo abwaso mwarimu monene bwe skuru yo Justus Muturi amono mukwani egiata ase aborokiwa Professor Constantine Nyamboga abo mukwani monene.
So much Ensoko TV for visiting us today. We had a wonderful function. Firstly, my name is Justus Muturi Momanyi, a senior principal Riambase DEP Secondary School. Today it has been a great day. We have launched the 2026 school win, and we have had also a wonderful class conference.
We were at Riambase today, courtesy of the board and the senior principal, Bwana Muturi, and Dr. Sakaria Ayenda, currently director of Reinsurance Kenya. I'm Professor Constantine Matoke Nyamboga, a long-experienced academia. When I got the invitation to come and launch the mean, I could not say no. Those are things I like because I come to commit students.
Kagukuwa na Ensoko TV magiga yogo kuru musangirikano yo nigo Justus Muturi oyoro mwarimu manene bwe skuru yo atababuna skuru ni gerene gangenene yogo korabia asamatemwa AKCSE omwako yo.
I know with the systems that we have been able to put in place, the 9.0 plus mean target, we will be able to have it achieved. We have had even our board members. I want to thank them so much. I want to thank our parents. I want to thank the students, and I want to thank the teachers so much for the effort that they are putting and for sacrificing that time to be here with us today.
Boigo Professor Constantine Nyamboga nigo arwesegetene negochia asaborokigwa gotwara kosemelio konene abakoromukia elio baikiranie ekerenga kyabo gyo konyole mini ya yanda nugute noti ochaigoro abo asabeboli boigo baboligwa kubwaterane skuru yo elinde goikirania ekerenge kyo.
many students will have regrets. And therefore, as an academician currently at Angasa University, where I advise almost everyone, I came here to commit myself, also commit the students, so that they can get to the right grades that will take them to the right programs. We must take science key, whether we are going to be scientists or not, but you can't avoid a science subject. You can't avoid English if you want to be a lawyer.
Me as a chair, I promise the mean which today we launched 9.0, it is achievable because our staff are committed.
Wanyina bonigo enseme ya barokiwa be skulu eyo bagokera ekerengekyo nagatababuna baise kubwatara na biyana bali mu nabo gabibuli nigo barali atomogoko ase skulu eyo mwakoyo.
I'm Violet Nyaboke, a 2026 candidate at Riambase Secondary School. I am happy for this launch of our mean of 9.0 plus, and with God's grace, I know it is achievable. Even we can achieve more than that one. I thank all officials who came, including our school principal, our teachers for much they have sacrificed for us. And I promise on behalf of all students, we are going to try our best and do the best that we can so that we may have a better future and join our dream universities, achieve our careers.
We are promising that we are going to work hard, struggle we can do so that we can attain our success. Because success does not come just easy, but it comes by hard working and by unity. So we'll try to work together, students, to ensure we go to what the targets we deserve. That's all I can say. And to our parents out there, make sure you support us where we need you in terms of resource books, so that we can also achieve our targets.
Wano nigo yatigera sabaro kigwa abalimu nabo igo abayibali kubwatira na asenchera ya bene elyo kwene kyabuna ngo ikera bale ekerenge kyo mwakoyo asamate mwaka KCSE. Binko reporter Nsoko TV ku Riambase ensemo yebunge abasi county ya Kisii editoriane Wycliffe Orenge.
Gotigara se chisemi mu waziri we chisemi Julius Ogamba nigaye nikiribuna mworoki wa tayo okwerikia asamate mwa manene oganirie gotangwa kurwa kwerikia asinge incho yokobora chibesa asekeria tebira matemwa manene nigagwakanirwa ne serikali na igokurwa okubora gochia sabari mwa banene kweni kibuna aboroki onkweriki bari bitango binde byonse bitayo Ogamba senkwane ayakurwa se skuru yaba muraya Kapsabet boigo eria baisike ya Kapsabet asomonye gabugo chengere myake myemo ase skuru yaba muraya Kapsabet boiga asomonye gabugo akamya mono ase skuru yaba baisike ya Kapsabet nigaye nikiribuna serikali nigebegete omukyo manene mono kwa kibuna chisemi ngosuka chirego chiase ekerengo kende ime yense.
That where an institution establishes its relevance in imparting knowledge and shaping lives, then its existence will be guaranteed across generations. This is why, Your Excellency, under your visionary leadership, we are working to build an education system that focuses on equipping learners with the skills they need to thrive in the modern world. We are working to build an education system that is globally competitive and future-proof. Only by doing so shall future generations gather to celebrate milestones like we are celebrating today. It is befitting, therefore, Your Excellency, that I take this opportunity to thank you for the dedication and foresight with which you are supporting our education sector. With your support, our education system is undergoing the most comprehensive overhaul. We are reconfiguring the legal and policy landscape through strategic and inclusive reform and injecting greater efficiency by ensuring that our schools have more teachers, more classrooms, and more laboratories, and that they receive capitation in time. The education system that we seek to build is for both the present and for the future, for the Kenya and for the world. We have received reports that some principals are not registering students for their examinations candidates for 2026 because of balances of fees. Let me explain to you. Exams are paid for by the government, so no principal should fail to register a student to undertake the examinations in 2026 because they do not have school fees. If we find that that has happened, we'll take serious administrative and disciplinary action against you. And I want the parents to get involved and confirm that the students who are candidates have been registered to do the examinations in 2026, so that you do not come later to say that you were not aware that your students or your learners have not been registered. Please get involved so that all our learners can transition to the next grade to universities in 2027.
Asense moyende abobisa kianda bakanjo imye county ya Kisii au baigetiwa sekigambiro gya Kisii ritukuria Jumaine asama mocho yugo kagiro kuiba chichuma chubwagachi asekenyoro kyanya chenge kigatie semo ye bunge ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii bosibo mona chebina ebina wide kater abwase bakane tama mocha yo na korengana naba wakili babatenderete bakoragwa na George Moraga kogania baegwe cash bail gose bond abwase omona chebina wide kater abegete tariki cyari ariko 12 omutinyo yoiga niko ndabo baikigwase kigambere kyo na korengana nuko na chogo tangani kumo na chibina wini keter nigo abakagero baigwe cash bill yechiribwe 40 na boige bond yechiribu emya eyemo korende nigensemo yuko baigerera etaisaneka nuko na choko na gusaba mo na chibina wini keter koligereria eriyo koba keria abo ase korengana no wakili George Morara aine kiabuna kubwatikana nuko na choko nigo mo na chibina wini keter anachabuna abakagero abuko igorerwa ne cash bill shilingi chiribwe 40 na bond shilingi chiribu emerongo etano nebere na kuigorerwa asibo igensemo yabo akili abo batenete oyogo seire kuragwa na Dafin byako bakwanire igoro yoko na chokwa na guikerana enchira yoko gayana abo litkoryankyo
magega yabo bisakianda abago sangirire bango me county ya Kisii au baigetiwa sekigambiro gya Kisii ritukuria Jumaine asamo choyo kagiro kuiba chichuma chubagachi asekenyoro kyanya chenge kigatimu ya Nyaribari chache county ya Kisii bosio bomana chibi na win keter abase bakane tamu chayo na kurengana abo wakire babatendetse bakora na George Morara kwani bawe cash bail gose bonde abase mona chibi na win keter abegetse rikichere riko 12 mutinyo iga.
I note that counsel watching brief for the complainant and counsel for the accused persons have given several grounds in support of the applications for denial and for grant of bail and bond terms respectively. Consequently, I hereby order that bail reports be filed for all the accused persons pending setting of bail and bond terms. We shall mention this matter on 12th of March for setting of bail and bond terms and consideration of that the report.
Nigo kiandabo baikiwa sekigambiro na korengana no kuna chogo tangani kwa mona chibi na win keter nego abakagero bawe cash bail chiribu emerongene na boige bond chiribu emyemo.
As earlier stated, bail and bond is every accused person's constitutional right, which should only be denied if there are compelling reasons to do so. The accused persons are informed that the right to bail and bond is not absolute and that the same can be cancelled by the court at any time if sufficient reasons are given. The accused are therefore warned against threatening, intimidating, and or otherwise interfering with the complainant, his family, and or the witnesses herein.
Kurende nigensemo yo kubagerera abakagero aboitaisaneka no kuna choko na gusaba mona chibi na win ketere kurigereria igoro yo kubakeria abwase korengana no mwakili George Morara aine kirimna nigo kubwatikana no kuna choko mona chibi na win ketere anachabuna abakagero abo ko igorwa ne cash bail chiringi chirwe 40 ose bonda ye shilingi chiribu 50 abwase baigorwa.
The court had initially given bail and bond terms that were to the range of 100,000 with one surety and a cash bail of 40,000 with a one person of contact also. But counsels, or rather the advocates who are representing the 9 Kisii County officers, made an application which is allowed by the law for the court to review the earlier bond and bail terms that had been given. The court, in its wisdom, after retiring and giving a ruling, revised the bond and bail terms to 20,000 cash and one person of contact and 70,000 bond with one surety.
Sinsemo yaba wakili abatinete yogoseire bakora wanerda bini byaki nigo baerere igro yo kuigwanana barachikonya kabako be kaburi chikoria ankyo ase engana yo kugayanwa.
And thereafter the defense requested that they said matter be referred to mediation because the constitution allows in Article 159. So then we deliberated with the defense because our firm was representing the victim, and we agreed that we do not have an issue with the mediation. So the court did grant that. Tomorrow, the 13th of March, parties do appear before the Honorable Omwanza's court, being the chair of mediation.
Korpoteria Ensoko TV kurasi kigambero gia kisi Nchepethuel Machin.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Buya kegemo mwancho muligari bwa Nsoko TV asoko igoro murangu na gutwanchira goswa enka yawe mambia bono.
Buya kegemera inde aso twanchira ko bari yogiritanga ni kwegure nyumba mwago emambie.
Ensoko bwa kiro mwancho muligari inche Innocent Onyango.
Diana Ndemu.